Today we have a 2007 Scion TC. The problem we're getting is when the radio is on, the stereo does not recognize the auxiliary input when you place a jack into the aux connector here. We already have several do-it-yourself repairs for the Toyota Tacoma and I believe the Toyota Sienna that deal with this switch. We're going to show you how to remove this switch assembly, and with our plastic pry tool we're going to start at the very top edge, try and get a little grip in here on the top edge. It's here somewhere. I just had this out a second ago. And we just pried the top edge back, and then you grab the whole base and pull it up to release the bottom. There's a couple of tongues that go down in towards the bottom on the bottom of this panel to lock it in place, and that'll free the panel up away from the front here. Next, on top of, since we're having a problem with the aux input here, there's a little trigger on the top of this that we're going to push down, and it'll allow us to push this connector right out the front. There we go. You can see the connector coming out. Now the reason for this is there is a connector on the back here, this white connector back here on the back, but the trigger to that connector is on the bottom side of it. So we're going to push the board back forward, we're going to pull the connector out, and we're going to twist the connector 180 degrees, put it back into the opening, and this will give us access to the little trigger on the top of the connector here. So now we're going to put our hand down here and push on that connector, which we just release, and the connector and the aux jack will be removed out of the opening. Reinstalling it is going to be the same. Like I said here, there's so little room to see here. This connector has the trigger on the bottom, which now that I've turned it over is on the top. And with your thumbnail you push that trigger down, it releases. Also, we're going to have the video on how to straighten this out because it's not accepting the aux input when it's time. Hope this video has been helpful with the removal and repair of this aux jack. We also have many other removal instructions on our website, ccarstereohelp.com. Thank you for watching.